Hi, Honors Art, Lily and Cassidy and the whole team. You might want to help out on this. Okay, we got these paper masks and they're cute, but they're kind of blah, right? All right, so look what I did. Haha. Okay, here's how I did it. So I want you to take a bunch of them and enjoy yourself and cut some interesting shapes as well as, make some examples. And I'm not a genius. The shapes came from here, these superhero shapes. So here's what I did. Okay. You can take one or two of them, right? Fold them in half. You can draw a design on them first, or you can just wing it. Okay, so let's see, go like this, and like this, and maybe like that, all right? Okay, and now I'm going to cut it. Okay, and I think I'll cut it some more, even though I didn't plan to. Aw. Maybe this will be like for, what do you call it? Cat Lady, the villain from Batman. Okay, and then just be careful. Try not to cut the strings because that's a bummer. Okay. There we go. And ta-da! Okay, we go from, these are cute and everything, but, these are a little more fun. And also, what we could do too, last but not least, is for the animals. Okay, you guys can like glue ears onto them. Okay, all right. Have fun. Be creative. Awesome.